Hello there, family friends. Joey Jones on the road. Well, first let me say, for those who don't know, I do pull intermodal containers, and that's all we do. I run intermodal, and our containers are brought by a train. So we got to go to the rail yards to pick up these trailers. You know, these trailers, they are dangerous. You know, containers, they are dangerous, and they can cause a lot of damage. So right now, in this video here that I'm showing you, it's a crane picking up containers out of the rail and sitting them on a chassis. Now, when they do that, they have to make sure that the pins are open, in open position, in order for them to drop the container on the chassis. I'm going to show you what I do and how it's done and the dangers of intermodal. Right now, these guys are lazy. You know, they're not doing their job when they put in these containers on the chassis. Right now, check this out. It's on lock position, but look at the container. The container sitting on the T lock. So it's wrong. It's totally wrong. So right now, just right here, it's ready to go. You know, this is on open position. So then when you turn, it's on lock position. This is the most dangerous part about intermodal. So then a lot of drivers take off just like this because they want to hurry up and do the loads. No, you can't. You cannot do that. This thing will tilt over. You can kill someone, hurt someone, and it's going to cost your job. So right in this video right now, that I did reset it, and it's dangerous. Okay, I have my gloves, sledgehammer, safety glasses, my earplugs, and let's do this. See, there it is. Now you can go ahead and lock it. There it is. You put a zip tie. So this next video that I'm showing you here, it looks like some guy from school, something. He was joyriding on his bike, holding the container. So as you can see, he's screaming on agony of pain, and there's a lot of people trying to help him out. They're using crowbars to lift up the container out of his hand. So what I showed you earlier, this right here. So then as the truck driver was driving along, I guess he hit a bump or something. So as you're moving on a bumpy road, the pin opened up, and it slammed on the chassis, pinching the guy's hands. Because if you don't reset these pins, that there can happen to anybody. So just be careful, okay? Thanks for watching.